Hi everyone. Today video grade 5 mapping skills. My daughter will continue.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another problem in maths. If problem number 1, if the distance between city C and city D on the map is 5.2 centimeters, the distance on the ground is dash. Scale is 1 centimeters, 100 kilometers. And problem B is if the distance between city A and city B on the map is 4.8 centimeters. The distance on the ground is dash. Scale of the map is 1 centimeter equals to 500 kilometer.
In these problems, we have to consider 2 points. What they are asking. In these two problems, they are asking the distance on the ground. That is one point we have to consider. The second important point, for each problem, we have to check what is the scale. Based on the scale given to that problem, we have to do calculations. Okay?
Okay, now let's get started without wasting time. They have given that the distance between city C and city D on the map is 5.2 centimeters. Scale is 1 centimeter equals to 100 kilometers. We need to find the distance on the ground. The shortcut is
Whenever they are asking on the ground,
we have to do multiplication.
Yeah, this is we can take it as a just a shortcut or formula like that.
Formula.
Just whenever they are asking on the ground, we have to do multiplication.
I wrote the box so you can understand.
That is what we have to do multiply 5.2 into
5.2 into
100. What the value in the scale, okay? What is the value we have to take? Why we are taking 100? The value in the scale is 100. So as the number is 100, we just write the number 5.2 without points, and then as the 100 has two zeros, we are placing two zeros, and after in 5.2 after one digit point is there. So
we have to
place the digit decimal after one digit. And one more thing, after decimal all is 0, so we are ignoring that 0.
Yes.
So the final value is 520 and the unit will be kilometers. This is the answer.
That's it. Next problem. So
the second problem is
the second problem is they have given that the distance between city A and city B on the map is 4.8 centimeters. Scale 1 centimeter equals to 500 kilometers.
See, there is the scale is different for each problem. So for every problem we have to observe what they have given scale. So for that problem we have to take the city scale of that problem only. No, not to take the previous problems. Okay? We have to focus on the scale value.
Yes, if they did not give the scale,
we can take the previous values, problems values only.
Yes. Need to find the distance on the ground, that is.
And what is the shortcut? Whenever they ask on the ground, we have to take multiplication.
I have to write box so you can understand, children. Now?
So multiplication. So what we have to do multiplication? The map value 4.8 centimeter, 4.8 into the scale value 500. 4.8 into 500. What is the value of 4.8 into 500? After multiplication we will get to 24,000.
But is this the answer?
Actually 24,000 is the value of 48 into 500. So 24,000. 24,000 to 3 zeros.
Yes.
And here in the first value 4.8. So after 8 decimal is there. So we are placing decimal after one digit. And after decimal only 0 is there. So we can ignore it. So final value is 2,400 kilometers. The distance between city A and city B on the ground is
on the ground is
2400
kilometers. That's it for the today's video. Bye. Subscribe, like, share, comment, bell, and if I kept anything pending, comment down below. Bye. See you next time in the next video. Bye.